Well, hi everyone. It's early in the morning and I'm off to my mate's place to fix his car. Let's go. Hey Paul.
Hey Rob, how
I
are you?
just climbed out from underneath the car there. Well, you're laughing already. Hey, look. We're back here again today because last time some things went wrong when I left. Paul totally wrecked the engine. Had to get back in contact with Scorpion because that one rocker that we replaced, well, we had more issues than just that one rocker. And I'm going to let Paul tell you a couple things and go from there.
Well, what was happening was all the rockers were losing their blue anodizing to some degree. This is a pretty bad one, but they were all losing it. So I contacted Scorpion and fantastic response from them. Within a week and a half, they sent out a brand new set of roller rockers from the US, free of charge and no shipping or taxes.
Well, you paid nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
And how long have you had these rockers for? Well, those rockers, I should say.
Oh, they're 6 or 7 years old.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's some good warranty, eh?
Lifetime warranty on all Scorpion products.
Awesome.
And the other issue we had that Rob tried to tell me, and I was in denial.
I told him these were bent, and he said they weren't.
So, after
Hey, before we go on, does ARP have any warranty on the studs?
probably 6 months or a year at the very most.
Alright.
All of them were bent to some degree.
Look at that. That should be running true.
And so I did some research and found the best rocker studs money could buy at 260 Australian dollars.
Can you believe that? There's 16 of them here. That's all. ARP. From?
Rocket Industries.
Okay. They should be pretty good. And hopefully we don't have any more problems with them. What else we got here today?
Some thread sealant for the ones that go into the oil galleries, and assembly lube for all of the moving parts.
Or for later. Why are you laughing?
No reason, Rob.
So, I just want to show people that aren't engine savvy. These are your rockers. This here is your stud. These are what we did last time, the springs. Today we're going to change the rockers and the studs. Let's get to it. Hey Paul, did you have these even tight? Because that came off like so easy.
I haven't done them, man.
Oh.
I've been working, man. I've been doing stuff.
So ARP have recommended to use their assembly lube. Just put a little bit on the bolt and screw her in. At the moment I'm just going to tighten her up and then we'll get the torque wrench on it in a bit. So I put the torque wrench on it, set at 45 foot-pound. Just one more time, let's hear that click. Okay, 15 more to go. So the next one goes into an oil gallery. So we're just going to put a little bit of thread sealer on it. Everyone has a different way of doing this. It is Paul's car, so I'll show him what I've done and hopefully he's happy with
Jesus. How much threads?
Too much?
No, that's fine. That's fine. No, it's good. It's all
Is
good.
that too much?
No.
Don't worry, get another bolt. I'll put on another bolt.
No. I'd rather have too much than too little.
Freaking hell. Jeez. I don't think you can afford to buy another one.
Yeah. Well,
What was that?
old.
So another thing to do while we've got things apart is to check the push rod is not bent. Let's go check this out. If we put this on a flat table, hey, is your table flat?
That's as good as we're going to get.
Let's see.
Usually with the, you can tell by the sound.
Oh, is it? Well, there you go, I'm learning something. Show me, Paul.
Well, no, I think they've got a distinctive rut sound when they're bent. So they're straight.
Yeah, they're straight. They're good. A little bit of assembly lube on the end of the push rod is a good thing to do too. What's the other thing you're doing there, Paul?
Bit of assembly lube on the rocker. Anything that is moving.
Well, hey, one thing I do want to say, let's show the people the top side and the bottom side of the rocker, because there is a specific way they go in.
It's machined flat on this side here, and that's the top, and it's rounded on the bottom. So
That being the top, flat to the top.
and your adjuster nut sits flat on that.
Well, this is some big engine, as in the title of the last video. This is a 350 Chev straight out to a 454 with some World Product heads on it. Are they World Product? Motown? I think they're owned by World Product. The valves are offset, or should I say the rockers are offset, and they require 3 different types of rockers. This one is an offset one, so we've got to make sure we put the right one on. So is this offset to the left or the right?
The stud is to the right, and the push rod is to the left. So this.
Now, yeah, sorry to butt in there, Paul. As you can see, the push rod that sits here is not in line with the roller on the rocker, and making sure that bottom's there, whatever. So while Paul's there working away on his engine, I just want to show you these rockers again. As you can see here, this one is offset to here. This one here is straight to here. This one is also offset on the other side to here. That's what you get when you buy multi-million-dollar engines. Is it a multi-million-dollar engine, Paul?
It is far from a multi-million-dollar
I
engine.
know, it's pretty quick. Also want to show you guys this rocker. Here's where some of the anodizing has come off, which could be going all in the motor, and why we changed them. But if you have a look here, that's been riding on the valve, and I'd say this right here is because of the bent studs.
The car's finished and all done, but you still gotta watch the whole video. So like and subscribe to Garage Days.